This is Deliverable 7, the QI Plan. This paper is being submitted on March 7, 2018. My mission is to successfully implement a quality improvement plan, to uncover quality problems and to satisfactorily resolve them. This hospital takes pride in the work we do, and it is important to be the best at what we do. What is a quality improvement plan? A quality improvement plan includes essential information about how your organization will design, implement, and assess quality. The purpose of a quality improvement plan is to enhance safety, efficiency, and effectiveness of all businesses from healthcare processes and the performance of delivering products to human resources. Different quality methods in healthcare include structure, which assesses care including facilities, personnel, and policies related to care delivery. Process. This determines if the services provided to the patient are consistent with careful consideration and clinical care. Outcome. This evaluates patients' overall health as a result of the care received by the patient. Patient experience. This provides feedback on patients' experiences of care. Also, patient outcomes. This can assess aspects of the processes and outcome of the quality of healthcare given. The basic models of quality improvement in healthcare include plan, which you identify an opportunity to improve a plan or test something with a component of a clinical workflow, including establishing metrics to assess the progress towards your goal. Do, which you carry out the plan of improvement for the specific component. The plan may be as short or as long as a day and be implemented on a small number of patients. Next, you study. You examine the results that you have gathered from your studies. The final step is act. Based on the results, incorporate the changes and establish the quality improvement plans. Evaluate the role and importance of patient satisfaction. Patient satisfaction is a measure of the extent to which a patient is content with the healthcare which they have received from their healthcare provider. Patient satisfaction is important for measuring the quality of healthcare. It is also an indicator of how well a patient is being treated. Patient satisfaction should be a top priority for many reasons. For example, response to concerns and complaints. This is an opportunity for hospitals to service recovery, to right the wrongs of patients' needs that are not being met. Patient satisfaction has steadily increased since 2003, with 85% of people surveyed reported satisfaction in care in 2008. But the best news is that data shows that it's just not patients that are benefiting from valuing better experience. Hospitals are reaping the rewards from the efforts as well. By hospitals having the highest satisfaction ratings, these are the most successful facilities. Research also shows more satisfied patients are less likely to file malpractice suits. Evaluate the role and importance of patient experience. Improve access. Patients need to know your facility and providers are available. More healthcare organizations are shifting to family-friendly hours. Improve wait times. More time with the provider does not always mean a more satisfied patient. Healthcare organizations must evaluate appointment lengths and appointment types to schedule appropriately. Improved communication. Communication comes in many forms in a business. Communication from the time a patient is scheduled until the patient receives follow-up must be timely. Train your staff on empathy. Patients want to know that their providers can understand their feelings. Improve cost transparency. Patients want to know their cost of treatment and visits with providers. It is becoming more important as patients shop around to maintain a transparent as possible. Apply statistics to different quality methods in healthcare. A statistical process control can be used to determine the sources of variability in a process or outcome measure. This approach has been successfully used in a healthcare setting. Over the past 2 decades, there has been a growing interest in healthcare for the adoption of the quality improvement approach. The process is measured to determine if the measures are having beneficial effects within the facility. All improvement requires change, but not all change results in improvement. Finally, applying quality improvement methods. Define. You want to define the process and outcome to be improved and define their key characteristics. Measure. You want to track performance through data collection. Performance measures can be measured through structured observation. Analyze. After measures are put in place, data can be collected and analyzed to determine how the practice is doing. Improve. The results of the analysis can be used to make changes as needed for improvements. Finally, you want to control. Control involves ongoing monitoring and making improvements as needed.